Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the BitPay application from your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you have downloaded the BitPay application from iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, you can simply open it up and search for BitPay. And when you find the application, you will also find the uninstall button alongside it. You can simply tap on it to delete the app. Or you can also open up your phone settings and scroll down and tap on apps. From the apps page, you can simply search for BitPay, and when you find the application, just tap on it. Now, from the application settings page, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner first to stop the application. Then once the application is stopped, you can tap on the uninstall button, which is at the very bottom right at the center. Once you tap on it, you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to uninstall this app. Simply tap on OK, and this will begin the uninstallation of the BitPay application on your device. Just wait for a while and the app will be removed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete the BitPay application from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.